Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I gonna talk about a really specific problem that this tool is solving. Like which tool I gonna share it later, but whenever you get a unknown number from any source and you have to contact them in your WhatsApp, like through your WhatsApp, but in order to do that you can't do it directly from PC or whatever laptop device you are using. uh, in order to contact that number, you have to go to your WhatsApp, save that number, then let that contact load to your WhatsApp messages, then you can only message them. So this is a bit longer process, and like someone like me who don't like to show everyone my status or stories of WhatsApp. I usually do what, like I have to every time save a single number, hide them from story, then upload it, like then talk to them. So this is a bit longer process. Now this tool or this website is solving the exact problem. Like if you have unknown number, you can just give that website this number and write down your message and click on start messaging, so it will go directly to your WhatsApp and start the chat. So this is how this website works. So let me show you the website, and that's it. So here is our website. Pretty much simple and self-explanatory name. Number to WhatsApp. Enter the number and jump directly to WhatsApp. Uh, Here you can see it here. Here you can like write down any number and write down your message and just submit, and it will directly go to your WhatsApp. And now they are saying that like download WhatsApp on your desktop to avoid opening link in new tab, but I'm pretty much okay with opening a new link in a new tab. And I do have WhatsApp app, but it's cracked. I don't know why, but it's cracked. Whatever, that's the thing. And you can obviously do that. That's the simple thing that it is doing, nothing else. Nothing like nothing flashy, nothing complex, nothing. This is just it. That's it. So you can obviously use it on the go, like if you want to message any unknown number without saving it. So obviously it's really great. And that's it for this video. Actually, yes, that's it for this video, because this app is too simple, and it's solving a specific problem, and that's it. So what else? Nothing. If you know about some of the great tools like this, because this is really a great tool. It is solving a really specific problem that like most of us is aware about, but none of us is doing anything. So whatever, if you know about some of the great apps like this, and maybe not apps, design resources, coding resources, API, open source, anything, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel, thumbs up in this video, so I will get motivated and make more videos. So bye for now.